Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Lexus RX450h. It's all courtesy of Woburn Toyota in Woburn, Massachusetts. To be honest, I didn't know this car existed. Saw it on the lot, I'm like, hey, that's pretty cool. I've never seen an RX450. I've seen tons of 350s. Well, 450 was a hybrid. And this one is a gorgeous spec, F-Sport, fully loaded, ventilated seats, heated seats, all of the fixings. Mark Levinson sound system, which sounds phenomenal. Sport Plus, a normal drive, and let's go for a drive. 308 horsepower total combined output. More than enough to move this thing along quite well. Full EV mode right now. And then that 3.5 V6 will pop into life soon enough. I don't know if there's a way to shut off or turn it to gas only. Like some of the Toyota Lexus hybrids, you have a charge mode, so the gas motor is always on. I was looking for that because I love the sound of the 3.5. I can't seem to find it. I mean, I worked my way around it going into sport mode and just continuously downshifting, but I'm not going to sit there and make the motor work harder than it has to. I'm just going to let the car do its thing. Plus, we actually are pretty low on gas, so you know what? EV mode. As long as I make it back. Oh, I love that color. It's a great color. I'm talking about Battleship. Not Battleship, that's what my parents call it. Smoke Show on the Hellcats. Oh, that's an awesome color. Three, two, one, green light. Actually, there's a huge delay. There we go. This is my favorite corner, especially when I film here. Oh, I love this because you're taking this corner, you look over. Boom, there's the dealership. If you guys have ever been to Disney, if you know the ride Test Track, that banked oval at the end that goes around the front of the building, that's what that reminds me of. That's why I love it. I loved that ride. I went before they did the major refresh in, what, 2012, 2013, or whenever they did that big refresh. Ah, Boston traffic. Never gets old, does it? It's great as long as you don't have to drive home in it, which I do. So, it's fine. It's great when you're merging onto the highway at 34 miles an hour. Although there is a pretty sweet yellow C8 coming up, which you'll see here. Alright, I want some power. This thing hauls. Ah, good old traffic. Doesn't get old now, does it? So when I was in sport, downshifting, upshifting, it keeps it running. It's weird. The motor's running, but it's not putting power to the ground. Because all that's all electric. You can feel the difference. If you've driven an electric car versus a gas car or a hybrid, you can tell when it's in electric mode versus gas mode. It's just the feel of how it moves forward. But I don't think I'll make you guys sit through. Maybe if I keep telling myself, oh, let's end it. Alright, I'm seriously, I won't make you guys wait through traffic. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.